There's another gnome for you, baby. We found E.Wedel. Found this online. We finally found it, darling. So we are at one of the oldest chocolatiers in Europe. Very, very busy. If anyone follows us, you would know that we attended Life is Sweet and had an amazing time, amazing experience. I do think this is a... It may be taking first place. Everything looks absolutely awesome. Presentation is fabulous. I'm not one for white chocolate.
Nor me.
But I really am intrigued.
Good.
The sweetness is like really giving you
Very
a
sweet.
take your breath away almost. The pastrami, the flavor, it's so lean, really gorgeous pastrami, all the outline of the seasonings on the end, the little pickled cucumbers as they call them, we know them as gherkins, just a nice tart tanginess to complement the pastrami, and Polish cottage cheese is very creamy with chives.
Aromat seasoning. It goes with it everywhere in our bag. I'm going to attempt to drink this. Try not getting too much of a mess. Oh, it's got a kick to it.
Double chocolate leaves. Combination of dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. I can't even get any.
You've done well not to get the cream on your nose. I'm not sure if I got cream on my nose.
Oh my gosh. You can leave me here. Richness, the creaminess of the white chocolate. I'm not...
It's good. Out of 10.
11. Sloppy.
You're gonna like that one more now, aren't you?
Here's the bitterness.
Yeah. That's gonna be a 12. Out of 10. Let me try you.
I bet you're going for mine more.
Oh, you like this one more? Okay. I'll try this one. You need to take some cream out. It's one of the nicest hot chocolates I've ever had.
I know for me.
It beats the special we did at our place. You know the movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and the river of chocolate? If you could taste that river of chocolate, I think it would taste like this. This one in here. I think we might have to lie down after this.
Not describe.
That was my Willy Wonka chocolate from the river.
The luxuriousness. The richness of chocolate. It's so smooth. It's not bitty. It's just silk. Absolute silk on your tongue. The white The white chocolate is unbelievably sweet.
Yeah,
Unbelievably
it's not my
sweet.
favourite.
Very rich, unbelievably sweet. If you mix your cherry and that together, it helps to break down. The acidity helps to break it down. But it is very, very, very rich and sweet. As like a white chocolate bar would be. There is something for everyone, which is nice. And I have to say, fabulous. Fabulous. If you could have hearts popping out of my eyes, that's what there will be. It is
We can do that.
real fantastic quality chocolate. All I've left behind is the cream, because I do not do the creamy stuff on top, but I wanted the presentation for you all to see it. That's the only reason why that's left there. But I have to